Hello people, how you going? Do you know DipShit? Do you know anyone in your family who is a DipShit? Are you a DipShit? Well, I'll let you know what a DipShit is. But first, let's have a look at this tree. Ooh, I'm not too sure what type of eucalypt it is, but it looks like a stringy bark, or a paper bark actually, paper bark, yeah, because this looks like paper. So, if you're a dipshit, you wouldn't actually know what this is. You go, oh, it's a tree, it's a tree. Anyway, a dipshit is someone who's just an idiot, someone who's pretty stupid, and it's actually hard to learn stuff. So like, you're working with someone, and you're trying to teach them stuff, and they're just not picking it up. You teach them 10, 20, 30 times. They're just not getting it. You go, oh, fuck this, you're just a dipshit. So, get out of my face. I don't want to see you again. No, you actually wouldn't say that. Just say, you're a dipshit. I can't teach you anything. This job is not good for you. So, that is what a dipshit is. You can use it in reference to someone who also does stupid stuff, like someone, I don't know, they're riding a bike, they pop a mono's when you go on one wheel, the back wheel, and then they just flip the bike and land on their ass. You go, you're a dipshit, mate. You're really a dipshit. So, someone that's stupid or does stupid stuff. Oh, how could you use this in a sentence apart from the ones that I've used? Well, if you want to refer to the third person, so there's you're the first person, you're talking to the second person, and you want to refer to the third person, you go, Jack, who is the second person, Jack, you know Tomo is the third person, Jack, you know Tomo, he's a dipshit. He went out drinking the other day, and he come back, and he pissed on the heater. What the hell? What a dipshit, man. So, that's in reference to someone who went out to drink alcohol, they got drunk, they come home, and they urinated on the heater, which is most likely in the lounge room, and it's not in the toilet. So, they pissed all over the floor, which are these things that dipshits actually do. So, I hope you learnt a new word today, and have an awesome day, people. Please like and subscribe so I can teach you more uniquely Australian words, especially swear words. They're good. Learning swear words in other languages is awesome. So, let me know what you think, and leave a comment down below, and if you have any requests, I'll be happy to try and do them. Mates, and have an awesome time.